Hey, how's it going everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an upgrade on my PlayStation 4. Now, the upgrade I'm going to be doing is actually the hard drive. So right now it does have a mechanical hard drive, so I'm going to be upgrading it to this Crucial BX500 1 terabyte solid state hard drive. Now, I got a pretty good deal for this SSD. I believe it was around maybe $55 in Best Buy. I think with taxes and everything was like maybe like $58, $59. So why am I installing an SSD on my PlayStation 4? So I've been playing God of War Ragnarok and I've noticed that the load times are a little bit high, even, loading up, let's just say if I die and I load up another save, it does take a while. It's not too much, but I'm like, I just, it's like, since this was on sale, I was just like, you know what, let's just go right ahead and upgrade this to an SSD. Now, before I start, one of the things that I actually did is I actually did do a backup on all of my data. Now, I did do this games, what is it, the saved games theme, I guess, yeah, the themes. What else was it? Any screenshots I've taken. The one thing I did not back up were actually the game files. I didn't have a big enough hard drive to go right ahead and do that, so I was just like, you know what, that's fine. It's like I just re-download the games anyways. So what am I expecting out of upgrading my mechanical hard drive to an SSD? So most likely, of course, it's going to be load time is going to be an improvement at that point. I'm fairly certain there's also going to be some graphical benefits of actually running the game on an SSD than actually on the mechanical drive. So in this video, I'm not really going to be showing you how to, download the OS for the PlayStation 4. I'm going to actually leave a link down in the description. Technically, PlayStation has already, documented all of this and actually shows you how to do it step by step. Now, the only thing you will need to do is you need to have a USB thumb drive that is formatted to FAT32 or exFAT. So, nonetheless, let's go right ahead and get this started. So we have the PlayStation right here. So let me go right ahead and basically pop the lid open, and then I could go right ahead and install the SSD. And there it is. So here's the mechanical hard drive. So let me go right ahead and replace it with SSD. All you need is just basically just take out these 4 screws. All right, so there we go. So we have the SSD mounted. So let me go right ahead, insert it on the PlayStation 4. And then of course, I'll go right ahead and start with the OS installation for this. There it is. Bam! So this is the message that I'm getting once, of course, the PlayStation 4 is up and running. So right now I do have the controller connected. So let's go right ahead and click on the PlayStation button. Let's see, connect the USB storage device that contains an update file and reinstall for version 10.0.1 or later. Okay, so I have the USB ready to go. So let me go right ahead and insert it, and let me go right ahead and start running this installation process. Okay, so I got everything technically squared away. So PlayStation is already up and running. Okay, so I'm going to go right ahead and show you exactly where you need to actually go to actually restore the data. So we're going to go all the way to, I believe it was System, and then Backup and Restore. Let's go right ahead and do the restore. And of course, it finds the backup file. So there we go, and we're going to do restore. All right, so the next portion of this video, I just want to go right ahead and include it just to see what the difference is between having an mechanical hard drive to having a solid state hard drive. So I made a couple of things. This is only for God of War Ragnarok that I'm basically just tested it out. So the first thing I did is to technically time how much time the PlayStation 4 actually takes to boot up. The second thing is how long does it take for the actual game to technically start up. The third thing that I wanted to test is exactly how much time it would take to load up, a last save. So let me go ahead and show you those results. Alrighty everybody, well I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and like always, we will catch you on the next one.